Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the Profusion with Mean Girls collection right here. I have almost everything. I am missing a couple products from this collection, but I am extremely excited about this launch. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Okay, so if I look weird, it's because I have my base makeup on and my eyebrows done, and that's it, because we will be playing with some of these new products and I'll be trying them out for the first time. I am so excited about this collection. When I saw that this launched, the PR package went fast. I think it was like 20 bucks. And I wanted it so bad. So my boyfriend found it on eBay, I think. And he placed an order. It was like double the price of, you know, the original price of it. But he ordered it and he's like, it's done, it's taken care of. And then I went on the website and picked up a couple of like their mini palettes that was not in the PR box. And then like a few days later, he gets an email saying that the order was canceled. I don't know why it got canceled. I'm assuming that the person that was selling it did not have the product or whatever. So I was really like bummed about it. But then all of a sudden I was looking online a few days later and I saw that another person was selling it on this other website. So I placed the order right away and it came in today. I'm so excited. So I got this whole PR box here, and then I also picked up all of their mini like single stuff that didn't come into in the PR box. Let's first look at this PR box. Okay, so I zoomed you guys out a bit so then you guys can see this. Oh, but this is what the box looks like. It has all the characters on the top here, and it says beware of plastics, and then down below is the products. So let's open it up and see. Oh, I'm so excited. I love Mean Girls. It is one of my favorite movies of all time. I just had my daughter, and the only thing we had in our house at the time was a VHS player. So I had Mean Girls on a VHS tape and I would watch it all the time. Like every single day I would watch it because, I mean, there was nothing else to do. I was at home all day with, you know, my daughter, and yeah, so I watched it probably over 100 times, and that's no joke, because literally every single day I was watching it, like every single day. So in this box you get the makeup brush set here. I don't know if I've ever used any Profusion makeup brushes before. And then you get this mirror. It has a sticker that I have to remove, and then on the back it says burn book, and that is nice. It's not like a really heavy quality mirror like the Jeffree Star one, but it's still a mirror. And then this is the main thing that I wanted, because you could not purchase this. I don't think you could purchase this on its own. I think you had to purchase like the whole box for it. But this is the, what is this? This is the North Shore High School yearbook. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. And this is what it looks like. So you get like, again, some of the characters over here, and then here is all of the colors. I got the Regina George eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry if you hear my dogs. Rocky's just not having it right now. And then I got the Gretchen Wieners palette. And then I got the Karen Smith palette. I am so excited about this shade right here. It looks so so beautiful. I can't wait to play with that one. And then I got Katie Heron palette, which is all neutral shades here. So that's all the palettes that I got. And then I picked up this, what is this? This is the Candy Graham 3-shade palette. I think this is number 1. I believe that there was like 2 or possibly 3 different palettes, like shades, but I'm not sure. So you get a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer, it looks like. And then I picked up one of each of the lip gloss sets. I have them in Regina George, Karen Smith, and Gretchen Wieners. For some reason, they didn't have one for Katie Heron. I'm not sure why, but they didn't. And then the last thing that I got is this fake eyelashes. I won't be using them because I don't like false lashes. So now that I went through all of the products, let's get started on trying these out and see if we like them. I'm gonna go in with this palette right here, and I'm going to bronze up my skin. And the shade is called Can't Sit With Us. I love that. So we're just gonna go in and start bronzing up the face. I really like it. I am a fan. I love the color on me, and I love how easy it was to kind of blend onto the skin. It wasn't hard at all. So bronzer is a thumbs up. I like it. Now we're gonna go in with the blush. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here by e.l.f. The blush shade is Good Friend. It looks like the blush is a little, like it looks like it has a little bit of glitter in it. We'll see. I'm gonna go in more of a stippling kind of brush. Yeah, you can kind of see it. In person, it looks really nice. It does have a little bit of like shimmer in there, but it doesn't emphasize your pores at all. I'm really liking it. I like the blush too. So far, the blush and the bronzer, I like. Next, I'm gonna go in with the highlighter in this palette, and the shade name is Secrets. And I'm going to place it on my cheek there. Can you see it? Oh, you can see it on my nose. You can definitely see it on my nose. We're gonna put a little bit on the bridge of my nose too. Oh yeah, I can see it on this side. On this side I can't really see it, but it's probably because of my lighting. But baby, we can see it on the other side. I really like this palette. There is not one product in here that I don't like. The other thing that I like about this is that it's really small, so it's really nice for traveling. I will definitely be using that when I travel. Let's move to the eyes. Usually I would go in with the Katie Heron palette here because this is totally 100% my shades, but I want to do something a little bit different today, and I think I want to stick with more pinks and purples. So I'm going to go in with the Regina George palette, and I'm going to pick up this kind of light mauve purple shade, and that is in the shade Get In Losers. So I'm just gonna pick the shade up with this blending brush. I think this is Wet n Wild, I'm almost positive. I'm going to pick some of that up and put this in the crease. Well, that was very easy to apply. My face, or this eye is burning so bad. I use the Kylie Skin, the cleanser, and every time that I use it, it burns my eyes for some reason, like my eyelids. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go in with the yearbook palette here. What do we want to do? I think I want to pick up like this pink shade right here, and it's called a Pink Shirt. I'm going to pick it up with this a pink brush right here. This is by the brand Lavish. It's actually not, it doesn't have any product on it. The tip of it just has like pink bristles. So we're gonna pick up Pink Shirt, and I'm going to concentrate this only in my crease. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with, I want to use, where is that one? I really want to use this glitter right here in the shade 30% Chance, but I don't think so. I think what I'm going to do is go in with, I think I'm going to stick with this Gretchen palette here, and I'm going to pick up this purple glitter shade here, and this is in the shade called Obsessed with Me. I'm gonna first pick it up on a dry brush and see how this applies to the eye, and then if we have to, we will go in with, I'll spray some Fix Plus on it. So I gotta tell you, look at how much product that picked up. It kind of tells me that it's going to fall all over my face when I apply this. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go back in with that Wet n Wild brush that we used to apply the first color, and I'm going to kind of blend this and clean up the eye a little bit. So that's what it looks like. It's definitely not something that I would normally wear, but I do like it, and Halloween is coming up, so I finished up this eye over here, and then I put some mascara on. So far, I like it. So next, I'm gonna go in and do my lips. We have 3 different ones here. I think I'm gonna use the Regina George one. So you get a soft lip cream and then a lip gloss. So let's go in with the lip cream first. So this is what the shade looks like. I like it. This is actually a very wearable lip color for me, and I love the formula of it because it's not going to dry out my lips at all since it is a cream. So I like that. But we are going to top it with some lip gloss here. This is a High Shine lip gloss. We're going to place some, just a little bit over the lips. So I'm just going to put some in the middle of my lip and then kind of blend it out with my finger. So this lip gloss has a little bit of shimmer to it. It has like a little like purple pink glitter in there. I don't mind it. I would like it better if it was clear, but I don't mind it. That is everything that I got with this collection. I do believe they had, so they have the fake eyelashes that I won't be using, and they also had, what was it? I think, oh, a setting spray. I know that they had a setting spray too that I forgot to order, but overall, I really like it. I like all of the products. I think they are all so nice, especially for the price. Like Profusion's prices are just, they're so reasonable. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a giveaway in this video. So what you will be getting in this giveaway is, the first thing are these lashes, and then you will be getting each one of these eyeshadow palettes. So you'll be getting the Katie Heron palette, the Karen Smith palette, Gretchen Wiener palette, and the Regina George palette. And then you will also be getting all 3 of the lip gloss sets. So you will be getting the Regina George one, the Gretchen Wieners one, and the Karen Smith lip gloss set. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a giveaway in this video. So what you will be getting in this giveaway is, the first thing you will be getting are all of these false lashes. You get 4 sets, plus you get the lash glue. You will also be getting all 4 of these smaller eyeshadow palettes. So you will be getting the Karen Smith palette, the Katie Heron palette, Regina George palette, and the Gretchen Wieners palette right here. And then you will also be getting all 3 of the lip gloss sets. So you'll be getting the Regina George lip gloss set, the Gretchen Wieners one, and the Karen Smith one. All you have to do to be entered into this giveaway is make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below how I can get a hold of you if you are the winner. That is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!